What's up everyone, Patrick here, and in today's video I'll be doing a feature review of the Panasonic Lumix GH5 mirrorless camera. Now it is a professional entry-level camera. There are several cameras within the Lumix G series, but today's focus is on the GH5. And I'll include a link down below in the description so you can check it out for yourself. And jumping right into it, starting off, it's boasting a 20.3 megapixel sensor to help you capture greater detail on your images and video. Now with that said, it can shoot 4K video at a maximum of 60 frames per second and also supports full high definition as well. And not only does it support that high megapixel sensor, but it also allows for 6K burst photography, which just means that you can take burst shutter shots in 6K at up to 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 60 frames per second. So not only does the camera have 4K video, but it also supports 6K photos as well. And built into that is the autofocus with 225 points of autofocus, as well as customizable autofocus points to help you refine your image and find the specific focus point, whether it be video or photo. And another beneficial feature that helps out with video is that in-camera stabilization. With the image stabilization, you're able to go out into the field and take fast-moving video subjects and slow it down. You're not going to have to worry about the shakiness if you're shooting video running through a forest or somewhere else where you might be running over rugged terrain where traditionally the video would come out really shaky. That built-in 5-axis dual image stabilization is one of the top-tier features that helps set this camera apart and put it in the professional category. On top of that, it has an OLED viewfinder, dual SD card slots to allow you to store more footage. And this is especially beneficial because it shoots 4K at 60 frames, which traditionally takes up a lot of space. With dual SDs, you just have more room for longer videos and photos. And the last feature I'll touch on is the support for Bluetooth 4.0 and Wi-Fi 5. So as you can tell, the Lumix GH5 mirrorless camera is a fantastic professional camera or a very, very high-end hobbyist camera, and I'll include a link down below in the description. Let me know in the comments what you thought about it or if you want one yourself. So give the video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel, hitting that bell for notifications to check out other videos just like this one. And until next time, thanks for watching.